Criminals Vocabulary Quiz. It tests vocabulary on the page about criminals in our vocabulary section. Number 1. A criminal is a person who has blank the law. A. Committed. B. Offended. C. Broken. Answer each letter. C. A criminal is a person who has broken the law. Number 2. Criminals can also be called lawbreakers or blank. A. Lawyers. B. Offenders. C. Bodies. Answer each letter. B. Criminals can also be called lawbreakers or offenders. Number 3. What can we call someone who steals? A. A thief. B. A theft. C. A thief. Answer. What can we call someone who steals? It is called letter A. A thief. Number 4. Tommy can bump into someone and take their wallet without their knowing. What is he? A. A burglar. B. A pickpocket. C. A mugger. Answer each letter. B. A pickpocket. Number 5. Betsy had no money to buy food for her kids, so she took it from a supermarket without paying. What was her crime? A. Kidnapping. B. Being poor. C. Shoplifting. Answer each letter. C. Shoplifting.